Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Koho's overdraft protection. Koho, a Canadian fintech company, does offer a service that functions as overdraft protection, but it's important to understand how it works as it's different from traditional bank overdraft services. This feature is called Cover. Koho Cover provides users with access to an interest-free cash advance. The amount you can receive through this service can be up to $250. This is designed to help you avoid overdrawn accounts and the high fees that traditional banks often charge. To access Koho Cover, you typically need to be subscribed to one of Koho's paid plans, and there is often a low monthly fee for the service itself. Unlike a conventional overdraft, it's not a line of credit that you can continuously use. Instead, it's a cash advance that is repaid automatically from your next direct deposit. This helps you manage unexpected expenses without the stress of accumulating interest or high fees. This service is a great alternative to traditional overdraft protection and can be a lifeline for those who live paycheck to paycheck. It's designed to be a transparent and affordable solution for short-term cash flow needs. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.